Hey guys, so this is our little van back. It is dead, and we have stripped it. So if anyone's got a Kangoo that wants some nice interior, let us know. That's all going to get repurposed. But I'm just at the point where I want to see what's happened. So let's have a quick poke around. I've got the key in my pocket somewhere. Right, it's been... I have literally just destroyed this, getting everything out. Oh. Put the clutch down. Okay, it's not the clutch. Right, let's put it in gear and see if we can bump it. Oh. Take the handbrake off. I've been fairly brutal because it is going to the scrapyard. So we can see the cam belt down there. So we're moving backwards. Can I get anywhere I can balance you where you'll be able to see that? There you go, you can see it. So we can go backwards. Oh, that doesn't sound good. Alright, let's have a look at everything else in here. Brake fluid's fine. Where is... That's fine, so let's have a look there. That doesn't seem very... An awful lot of oil down there. Oh. There's no oil in this. Well, there we go, that's what killed that then. We've got what looks like an oil leak down there, but I think that's an ongoing injector issue that never got sorted. But no oil, well that's not going to help us. Oh well, that answers that question. We were wondering what killed it. So Uncle Rodney's probably having a party in there. It's a dead stop, so it sounds like it's possibly thrown a rod or something. Unless there's no oil in it because it's thrown a rod. Who knows? I don't think we can really see much underneath. There is oil there. Can't see anything up there, can you? Nothing in the, as Eric called it the other day, in the bottom bucket. Oh, is that daylight or is there something nasty up there? That might be daylight. I'm not going to spend any more time on this. It's a shame because actually the rest of the vehicle's in reasonable shape. But there you go. Take care.